Another day, another grotty day actually. More work on Matilda. Just had a friend around to measure up and help put the new units in the bedroom. So finishing off some painting today, should be last day of painting actually. Mark is going to fit the new seat belts, finish off the skylight. And we should be well on the way to nearly getting finished, ready. What are you doing?
We've taken the sky hatch out because it was damaged. So I've taken it out, just cleaning it.
We're having a new one.
Ready for the refit. The new one, yeah.
Do you think it's going to rain?
It does feel like it.
It was beautiful sunshine like 10 minutes ago.
This is how it goes.
And what about the solar panels? Are they really dirty?
Yes. So they need a bit of a wash. So if you've got a window back, I can just...
Yeah, I've got it now. I'll pass it up to you.
Yeah, we just tidy them all off. And then when it is sunny, we can get some decent power. There's about 2 inches of dirt on.
Okay, we do that now then.
So we're going to replace the sky hatch for obvious reasons. It's getting a bit tired. It's been fixed and fixed and fixed by the looks of things. So we'll get rid of that. Just need to take these pins out. Right, we're back. 2 hands is definitely much easier. That's the 4 pins out. And this should come off. Wow, that was good fun. That is now de-sealed from its house. Let's see how the new one fits.
This is the inside, the new part's just gone in. Apparently it fits in the hole, so that's always good news. Oh, it's all new and shiny. It's also black on the outside as opposed to the white one that was there, so it fits in really nice with the new Max fans.
All in.
Max air fan in the bedroom now has a new swanky blind. Yay, look at that. Oh, perfect. Good job. New cabinet fitted in the bathroom finishes this space off just nicely. And of course we have to utilise all the space we have for extra storage.
Number 1, we've got number 2 at the bottom.
Yeah. Oh, that's better. Gotta keep these bad boys clean. Right, once wear, one time only, suit. It's lasted, how many times have I painted now?
No, about 4 times, 5 times.
It's got a hole in the bottom, but it's done alright. Thanks, Amazon. Just testing out our new teeny tiny cooker. Unfortunately, it doesn't have any temperatures on, so I've got this little gadget for the glare, and we're currently up to about 180, which is perfect. Which is good. Oh gosh. This is extreme, I can't even reach. Extreme seatbelt fitting. Friday afternoon, and we are on the search for a new gas bottle. Well, we have one, but it's empty. Hopefully, Mark's just out there now talking to the lady. Hopefully it's a success, because nowhere seems to have gas bottles at the moment. Oh, he's opening the cage. Yay! I can see one. Oh gosh, we were starting to worry that we weren't going to get one, but this is good news, and it's only just up the road from the house, so good stuff. That means now at Christmas, when we go away for our first trip with Matilda, we've got gas. I can cook. We can have a cup of tea, most importantly. So yeah, if you're running low on gas, people, get it sorted quickly, because like a lot of things in the world at the moment, nowhere has any.